स्काउट बना दो बड़ा साइज में, मैं खरीद लूंगी आपसे।
Vitamin C. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, this is me, Shri Yaya. And if you're not new to my channel, welcome back to my channel. So as you all have already read by the title that what this video is gonna be, I'll be talking with you guys my favorites and things I'll be restocking it because why not? So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I'm starting with this one, the Extraordinary Hair Oil Focus. Yeah, this one. And this is so good. It is serum with 6 precious floral oils, and this made my hair like, little bit presentable because I have very frizzy hair. And this is my favorite. Like I have discussed in my previous video also regarding this one, I guess. This one, then for hair oiling, I use the virgin coconut oil that is from Desano. It really helped me with my hair fall, and this was suggested to me by my sister. And she also made some homemade oil that I use before I do my hair wash. Now coming to body wash. For body wash, I have this one and this one, and I also use the Dove one in the peach variant. But when I want to exfoliate my body and all, I use the Foxtail exfoliating body wash, this one, and it has tiny beads on it. It makes, and it also smells like very aquatic. It is very good. I've been using this for 2 months, and the second one I have is plum, and this is a plum caramel popcorn. It smells like a salted caramel. It is very good, this one. Then I also love to use the Dove peach one because it smells like very fruity kind of, and that smells very good. Next is body lotion. For body lotion and body oil, for that I have this one. I use this body lotion from Plum that is in the variant vanilla caramel because of course जो बॉडी वॉश यूज करूंगी of course उसी का लोशन यूज करना जरूरी है because it will make you smell good. Anyways, after that I have this body oil. This one is also from Plum, and it smells so good. Like in winter, this has to be my routine, right? Because it makes me smell good, and I have to smell good every time. Okay. Next we have is this tree. This tree has to be my favorite. This one from Plum. This one I have finished almost, I guess, 4 to 5 tubes, and it is affordable. It is very nice. It gives you that glow
because it has niacinamide, rice water, and hybrid sunscreen 2%. It brightens skin's radiations blemishes.
Okay, so if you are looking for something affordable sunscreen, then you can go for this Plum one. This one from Dot and Key. This one from Dot and Key, watermelon one. It is a cooling sunscreen basically. So it is with hyaluronic acid, and of course, who does not love to apply hyaluronic acid, right? If you don't want to apply serum directly, use the sunscreen. It is for oily and combination skin, and it is non-oily finish. Okay. Then we have this one from Dot and Key, same but in the variant vitamin C, and this is super bright sunscreen. Be my favorite because it has vitamin C in it. Vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, that is all that we need in skincare, right? So it is for all skin type. It gives dewy finish, fights dullness and dark spots. Now we have is toner. For toner, like before doing my skincare, of course, after washing my face, I love to use toner and hydrate my skin with that. So for that, I have this Plum Vitamin C one. If you have watched my previous video, then you know how much I love this toner. And then I had this Tony Moly Mist toner, this one, ceramide Mochi toner, and this is so good. Like it helps to nourish and moisturize your skin, especially in winters. I love to use this one. I thought that rice does not suit my face, but because I tried few rice products that did not work upon me, and I had lots of breakout. Then after I gave this a try, and it really helped my skin
a lot. ऐसे मत लगाना, touch it.
and this is nourishing and moisturizing multi-use toner for bouncy and milky like
skin. Okay? For bouncy and milky like skin. Just like
wow. Now let's talk about face wash. For face wash, I have Dot and Key one. This one from CeraVe.
I have repurchased this one multiple times. Like
multiple times. After like my skin started breaking out so much, I tried a Cetaphil, but Cetaphil did not work for me. Then I gave this one a try, and trust me, it works. Like It is even affordable. You get this one for like 490 rupees, and it will last you for almost 3 to 4 months. For me, it have lasted. I wash my face in morning, night, and sometimes in afternoon also, because if my face becomes too oily or sweaty, I love to wash my face 3 times. But normally I do my facials only 2 times. So after facials, I use my toner. After that, we have moisturizer. If you know me, then you know what my moisturizer is gonna be, right? Moisturizer is this one. This one is from
Advanced Male 92 All-in-One Cream.
but sadly it's over, guys. Today morning I applied this and it's finished. I use this one, or like I use the other variant, that is Pond's light gel moisturizer. But I love to use this one a lot. And then next we have is perfumes. So for perfume, I use lots of perfume, okay, but currently this one has to be my favorite. That is from Plum. It's not perfume though, it is body mist, because I use light, that is mist and all, so that I can apply it anytime and go. Okay. But this one I've been using a lot lately, or else I use this one from Zudio in the range Virgo. This is EDP and it smells so good. Like I love to use this one. Whenever I use this,
I know everyone is like, which perfume have you used? Because I smell so good. But
the worst thing is it gets over so fast. It is affordable, it's just 79 rupees, but it gets over so fast. You can see it's just this much. And I have already finished this 10 bottles. I guess Zudio should bring this in bigger size.
Zudio ला दो बड़ा साइज में मैं खरीद लूंगी आपसे.
Then we have, oh, skincare. Again, this one. So this one is, I don't have to say anything, because this and this is what I have because of this too. For blushes, I have this, and this one. This one is from Love Earth. The shade Got Your Back. This can be used in various ways. Like you can apply it as eyeshadow, a cheek tint, or lip tint. And this is so good color. Like you can just see this shade, right? It gives a good shade, and I usually wear this as an eyeshadow. I use this one frequently. And this sometimes, and this one also sometimes. So yeah. For lips, I have is this. Already talked about this one, so no. Then I have this three. For lip balm, I love to use this one, that is Jelly and Butter. You have seen I have applied this one right now, and you don't need to even apply lipstick after using this one. And this is in caramel brown. This is, I have taken this from my sister. If she finds out, then she's gonna kill me. But anyway, this one is my sister's, and I started using this after, like, I saw her using it, and I'd seen lots and lots of review of this lip balm in my Instagram, and so I thought, let's give it a try. And after that, I've been using this every time. It gives you a proper, like, you just don't need to apply lipstick. Then this one. This one is from Maybelline. That is Flushed Red, but this is very dark red, and I love to use this one mixed with this one. This is the L'Oreal Paris Worth It Medium, and this one is Flushed Red from Maybelline. I love to combine this two and use. And this is my recent purchase. Like I've talked about it in my videos also, like previous video, I guess. This is so good, but if you don't like matte finish, and if you feel that matte finish gives you very chapped kind of lips, then do not go for this one. If you like matte finish, then go for this one. This is very good. The L'Oreal Worth It Medium. See, Worth It Medium. I would love to. Oh, I forgot to talk about the stroke cream. This cream is this cream. I forgot to talk about this cream, that is Dot and Key Stroke Cream.
is Strawberry Dew in Spotlight Stroke Cream for vitamin B5 and niacinamide. Okay.
This is so good. Like I give this 10 on 10. Now let's talk about the product that I'll be stocking it. So first one is the stroke cream. Then I'll be stocking this one from Plum. This one. Then next is I'll be stocking this one too. This is my favorite. Like this one. is my favorite, so of course I'll stock this one. Then of course this body oil, how can we forget vanilla? Then this too. Abhi ye to mera pura hai, but once this gets over, then I'll stock this one too. Of course, in perfume, I'll be stocking this one, Zudio, the Virgo one. I keep repurchasing it. As you all know, I've talked about it a lot. And this is about to get over, and I have to stock this one too. And that's it for this video, and I hope you guys liked it and would love to watch more of my videos. Then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye. Much love.